In this video, you are going to learn how to upload a PDF into Notability. Your assignment is going to be to upload a PDF into Notability as well as add a picture of a character that you have inferences for. The PDF is going to ask you some different questions about what you infer from the picture. You will want to choose which picture that you want to make inferences for and place it in to Notability with the PDF. In this video, I will show you how to do all of that. I'm now going to show you how to open a PDF into Notability and make changes to that document. As you can see, I have an example bundle in front of you, and we're going to take a look at the PDF first. You will learn how to put the picture in later. All I'm going to do is actually click on where it says PDF, and it's going to open this document that I have called Infer Sample. You now have a document in front of you that is going to later be your assignment. Observe and infer with picture of the week, week 13. Don't worry about the details of that. Right now we're just focusing on opening the document in Notability. If you tap on the document, you'll see at the top, Open in Books or Open in ... I want you to choose Open in ... You are given the option to open in Books, open and explain everything, open in Notability, and open in Whiteboard. I want you to open this document and open in Notability. Give it a second to load. There's our Notability, and we're going to import this Infer Sample PDF. This is a new assignment, so we're going to create a new note. This is a unfiled note. Give it a second. Click Import, and it will show up into your notes and automatically open. Give it a second to load. So right now what I'd like to do is go through the functions of Notability with you. If you're familiar with Notability, consider this a review. If you're not familiar with Notability, you will find that this will have a lot of uses for you in other daily assignments. First, if you look on the left-hand side past the arrow, there's a little box with an arrow pointing up. If you press that button, this is where you will share your assignment to get it into your My Big Campus Drive. If you go over to the T, if you click on that T and then click on the document, it'll give you a text box. This is how you're going to use this assignment. You're going to type your answers. So as you can see, I have a text box and I was able to type my name. If you click on the pencil, it allows you to write. If you click on the highlighter and hold it, you can choose a color, and it allows you to highlight text. You're not going to need that feature today, so you can use the eraser and get rid of the highlight. We're not going to use the cut tool, and we're not going to need to draw an A right here, so we can erase that. What you're going to do today is import a picture into the Observe and Infer assignment. Then you're going to write about your observations and details, what you infer from it, and because, and another inference, and why. When you have the document on your Notability, you will see that there are several places that you infer. I am going to choose my text box and begin typing. If I look at this picture here, it appears that it is a house full of sand. So I'm going to say that this appears to be a house full of sand. If you press return, it will lengthen your text box and you can continue to type. You will want to put in your observations about these details. Then, if you press the bottom right-hand corner, the keyboard will pop back down and you can see where you need to type next. I'm going to press the T and press my finger where it says I infer. I can move my document up so that I can see it. My inference for this would be that maybe there was a sandstorm. Because there is sand throughout the entire house. I infer the owners are in for quite a surprise when they return home, because sand has replaced all of their flooring, furniture, and other belongings. So this is how you would complete this assignment. Now, when you go to do your own assignment, you're not going to have a picture there for you already. You're going to have to choose a picture that you want in there. So what you can do is press the plus sign that's right here, and you have a photo option. Okay, I'm going to let Notability access my photos. I'm going to go to recently added, and I am going to use this picture of Zachary. And I'm going to place it right over the picture that exists. I would want to go back and delete this text that I used as my sample. You won't have text to delete. Yours will be a fresh start. There will be several pictures for you to choose from on your bundle. So here's a picture of my son Zachary in his nursery, and it appears that he has emptied all of his toys out of the box and seems quite proud of himself for it. So I am going to have a text box under my observation and details, and I'm going to say that Zachary is surrounded by toys. He seems proud that he has emptied his toy box. Okay, I infer that Zachary's mommy has a mess to clean up, and that Zachary isn't going to be happy about it because Zachary enjoys having all of his toys out. Okay, so I've given you enough example of how to import the PDF into Notability and how to use the features of Notability. I've also shown you how to import a picture, but I'd like to review that with you. See this plus sign up here? Remember, tap the plus sign, and then you have the option to click on Photos. And for me, that photo was in my recently added. When you save a photo to your photo roll, it will be in your recently added also. Make sure to check the other videos in this bundle to see how to save a photo into your photo roll. Don't forget to ask your homeroom teacher if you have any questions about how to import the PDF into Notability and how to complete the predict, the observe, and infer assignment.